Indaynamo and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan ngayon saan man panig kayo ng universe. So guys, today guys, we're going to explore the New Zealand. Yes, hear me right guys, pupunta tayo ng New Zealand today. So guys, what is New Zealand? So New Zealand is an island country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It consists of two main land masses, the North Island and the South Island, and around 600 smaller islands covering a total area of 268.21 square kilometers. So today guys, samahan nyo ko sa South Island. So ito yung vacation namin last January. Ayan. We went to South Island guys for 2 weeks and then road trip yun guys, yung buong South Island. Hindi siya exactly buong South Island but ano ko lang dito yung mga napuntahan namin sa South Island guys. So guys, what we are waiting for? Happy watching!
Okay guys, so welcome to Christchurch Airport, Christchurch, New Zealand. So what is Christchurch guys? So Christchurch, known for its English heritage, is located on the east coast of New Zealand's South Island. Flat bottom ponds glide on the Avon River, which meanders through the city center. On its banks are cycling paths, the green expanse of Hagley Park, and Christchurch Botanic Gardens. In 2010 and 2011, earthquakes destroy many of the historic sandstone-built buildings. So guys, this is the Christchurch. Okay guys, so we went to the BROCKWORTH Street Art Gallery guys. As you can see, is a series of murals that run along the BROCKWORTH walkway. It's one of the major showcases of the murals that have been livening up the urban landscape since the start of the rebuild. Along with this creative hub, you'll find plenty of other street art treasures by simply walking around the town. So guys, as you can see, this is the BROCKWORTH Street Art Gallery. Okay guys, so now we are heading to SUMNER Village. It's a lovely coastal suburbs of Christchurch in Sumner Bay at the eastern end of the Port Hills. SUMNER Village is 20 minutes drive from the Christchurch CBD and 40 minutes drive from Christchurch Airport. Sumner Village has a great sense of community and hospitality. Its charms, character, and relaxed seaside lifestyle makes it a popular destination. The views are breathtaking, panoramic views from mountains to city and sea. Nestled inside the dormant volcano, Sumner is separated from Christchurch by rugged volcanic hill ridge heading to cliffs descending to the sea. Sumner's unique geography and coastal location creates a microclimate and a wonderful variety of recreational activities. So guys, this is the Sumner Village. Okay guys, so now we are going to the new Brighton Pier. So you can walk out at the end of the pier where you will find most likely sea fishermen trying their luck with an audience of seabirds waiting for scraps. The views from the pier are the main reason to visit. You can see down both sides of the beach and back towards the Port Hills. There's a cafe restaurant at the base of New Brighton Pier, but if you're looking for a bit more variety, you can head across this road and into the little town center, guys. So you can see it's a very long pier. Okay guys, so now we're going to our last stop for today in New Zealand, the International Antarctic Centre. So it's located in the suburbs of Harewood, Christchurch, New Zealand, close to the Christchurch International Airport. It is one of the major tourist attractions of the city. The International Antarctic Centre is open 7 days a week, Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The cafe is open daily from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. This is mainly a children, however, is an educational tool for all ages to display the mobility of the Hagland. The Hagland is an Antarctic vehicle that is still on operation. Among other attractions, there is an Antarctic snowstorm room, an audio-visual display, and a little blue penguins at the New Zealand Penguin Encounter, guys. Yes, you can see they have the Antarctic snowstorm room. Yeah, that's me, guys. This is the another one. You can see outside the Penguin Encounter, guys. They're so cute. And guys, this is the International Antarctic Centre. Of Remembrance, guys. Ayan yung bridge doon, guys. Ayan, may daanan dyan. Ayan, nandyan ako at nagpa-picture ako dyan. So, bawal yan, guys. Ayan, the next one is the Memorial Wall, Christchurch, guys. Ayan, dito nakalagay yung mga names ng mga nakasama dun sa earthquake nila ng 2010 and 2011, guys. So, the next one, guys, is to be continued. I hope you enjoy watching, guys, and thank you very much. See ya!
So, that's it, guys. That's our New Zealand, guys, in South Island, in Christchurch, guys. So, I hope you enjoy watching my Christchurch, guys. Kung anong pwedeng kami sa Christchurch, guys, kung pupunta kayo sa future. Pero ngayon kasi hindi pa pwede, guys. So, kapag pupunta kayo ng Christchurch, guys, ayun, mas maganda siya kapag winter season, guys. Kasi nung pumunta kami doon is patapos na yung winter nila, guys. January, month of January, guys. So, pero nakita namin yung mga yellow, nasa top pa rin ng mga mountains sila. Ang ganda, guys. Very, very talaga maganda. Ayan guys, so yun nga yung mga pwede nyo puntahan kapag nasa Christchurch kayo guys. Small island lang sila, small country lang talaga ang New Zealand guys. Pero madami kayong pwedeng explore doon. Especially sa South Island guys. Ayan, hindi namin masyado na-cover lahat. Pero hopefully guys, makabalik kami sa New Zealand. Ayan, maganda talaga pag winter doon eh. Hindi pa rin ako nakapunta sa North Island, pero maybe in the future guys. So, ayun yung pwede nyo puntahan sa Christchurch guys. Kasi nag-stay kami for 3 days sa Christchurch guys. Tapos, ayun nga, dumating kami sa Christchurch. Galing kami ng Melbourne sa Australia. And then, we flew in Christchurch guys. Na madaling araw kami. So, dumating kami sa Christchurch guys. 5 AM in the morning guys. So, pero talagang dead talaga lahat. Walang katao-tao that time talaga, guys. Pero, guys, yung ano namin, hire kami ng car that time. Very early kasi, guys. May shuttle doon. Kukunin ka from the airport. Tapos, kung saang nakuha kang, na-hire ka ng car, dadaling ka nila dun sa company. Tapos, you will get the car, you will get the key. Kunin nila yung passport mo, and then, isi-xerox nila, photocopy nila guys. Ayan. Dapat meron kayong international driving license guys. Ayan. Pwede kayong rent a car doon o hire a car. Ayan. Madaming pwede doon guys. Madaming company naman guys. So, ayun na yung mga tip ko guys. Ayun yung pwede nyong puntahan sa daytime guys. Walang masyado talagang tao guys. That time is very rainy season guys. Grabe ang ulan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero talagang maulan talaga nung dumating kami. Tapos natulog kami kasi I think 3 hours advance talaga siya guys. Talagang as in talagang antok na antok kami guys. Talaga kasi pumunta kami ng Melbourne Airport that time na madaling araw guys. Talagang para kaming wala lang, nakakatuwa. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video for today guys. I hope, thank you for watching guys. So please like if you did enjoy my video today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my video guys. And please comment down below if you like this video guys. And I see you all when I see you on my next one. Bye bye.